what I want goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today your girl is going to be cooking some, what is this? We call it ghetto oxtail, but it's some turkey necks, and we're gonna make it taste like oxtail. So I'm going in with my oxtail seasoning. Listen, when you finish cooking this, you ain't gonna miss oxtail, okay? I'm going in with a little bit of my island spice, season to the bone. I don't use too much season to the bone. Some all-purpose seasoning, Caribbean spice, some meat seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder. Now we're gonna rub this in. We're gonna brown stew this, so we're gonna add our browning. So we added our browning, and now we're gonna rub this in. All right, goodies, so it's nicely rubbed in, nicely seasoned. So I have a pot on the stove right now with some oil and some garlic. We're just gonna add this to the pot. So I'm just gonna stir this up, and I'm going to add some water. I'm gonna cover it down and just allow it to continue cooking for about half an hour, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna finish seasoning it. Okay, so I'm adding the water, and I'm just gonna cover it and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Okay, goodies, so now I have some vegetable here that I'm going to use to season my turkey neck. So I have scallion, green onion, some thyme, some hot pepper, and bell pepper. So I'm just gonna add this to the pot. Okay, so just adding my vegetables now, and I'm just going to cover this down and allow it to finish cooking. I'm just going to leave this down until the gravy is nice and thick, and then we'll see the final results. So stick around. Okay, goodies, so basically that's it. It is done. Look how beautiful that is looking. OMG, look at that. Nice and beautiful. You don't need oxtail when you have turkey neck cooked this way. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.